Everybody that comes here says, I had no idea that this was here in Richmond, Virginia, doing what you're doing for global healthcare.
Just like the name says, medicine for all, we try to make the medicines affordable to everybody.
We're here to help everybody find easier access to medicines.
Particularly in lower middle income countries, there is a disconnect between having the drugs and getting them to the people who actually need them. We want to understand how we can make each step of the active pharmaceutical ingredients more efficient. That makes the final drug product as affordable as possible.
And so you have chemists working in their labs and engineers working in their labs, and they cross-train each other. It's extremely unique. I can't think of any place like this. I'm really excited because the most recent drug that we're working on, we think is going to be a potential solution to HIV.
It really could help to end the HIV epidemic as we know it, but it relies on equitable access.
So to lower down the cost, to make sure everybody can use it, that's huge. Because nowadays, this drug is too expensive.
Being able to lower the cost of that drug to make it affordable so that it can reach as many people as possible is key, and it can be a game changer.
I can guarantee you this is the most complicated molecule I've ever worked on in my entire life.
This was a huge project. All of our talents combined and blended and complemented each other to get us where we are.
We simplify the whole process, just 3 steps, and we lower down the cost by 20 to 30%.
What really gives me hope is seeing that our model can work in real life. We are helping to transfer our technology for free to local manufacturers in lower middle income countries to help build economies, to train people and scientists to be able to produce those drugs.
Which will help drive down that cost. But it also builds up stockpiles, so you don't have the shortages where you only have a single manufacturer and their line goes down. I think it's reshaping how people think about what our processes look like, that just because the way it's always been done is not what has to happen going forward.
At the end, we hope what we are doing here can save people's life.
And I think it's expanded into a lot of other areas that we're going to explore, but it all boils down to figuring out how we can actually take these technologies and improve quality of life. It's not just about doing great chemistry, it's about making a difference.